Hi, I'm Jennifer with Olympia Piano. As many of you know, I have a membership course on the adults all-in-one book by Alfred, and we are well into the book. We're on page 59. I just wanted to share a short snippet of a lesson that I gave recently. It's bonus material, not necessarily included in the book. A few of the members wrote to me and thought this was a valuable lesson, so I'm going to share this with you, and hopefully you will find it valuable as well. So now let's just cut to the lesson. So this is the D7 we're going to be using, and as I've mentioned before, it's also called a 5/7. This 5 refers to the 5th note of the G scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be moving between 1 and 5/7. The final thing I want to go over in this little extra bonus section is one of the whole reasons we even have 5/7s. All right, here we have our G chord, here we have our D7 chord, and our G chord. Now, if we did not have that C in here, the D chord would be this, D, A, F sharp. So it sounds like this. Okay, sounds pretty good. But if we use the D7 instead, what we have is this large interval, which is called a tritone. And one of the reasons this 5/7 chord is so effective is because when it goes back to G, this F sharp moves up a half step, which is a very strong harmonic pull to G, which is our root. And the C gives us a half step pull down to B. So B is the note that tells us, is this chord major or minor? That's an extremely strong bit of information there. So when we have that 7th in there, we get a double resolution of half step motion, which is strong. As opposed to this one, still resolves with that F sharp to G, but this is a whole step and it's not as strong as this. All right, so I hope you found that helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave that in the comments. Information on how to join the membership group is in the description. The way it's working is I'm posting lessons on either 1 or 2 pages at a time, whatever seems to make sense, and I post the lessons every 2 to 3 days. That keeps me committed to your musical progress. It's my goal to help pianists from all over the world, whether or not they have access to a live teacher. So please check it out, and as always, thank you for watching.